What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 773 Josh, and we are back with another video. And in today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about the best broker to actually trade with in 2026. Now, if you don't know, I've personally been trading for the past 5 years. And so when it comes down to, putting your money into an account and trading that account and having high hopes and high goals and high desires to grow that account, it is very, very important that you're trading with a trustworthy platform. And so that's why I make this video, because I know for a fact with a lot of the trading content that I create, a lot of people reach out to me on the regular and they're like, yo, Josh, what platform should I use? What platform do you use? Or, how do I really start getting into trading? And so in this video, I'm going to be introducing you guys to the trading platform that I personally use and that hundreds, almost thousand people in my community actually uses. And so, I personally tell everybody you want to really choose a platform that gives you a lot of confidence in terms of your money, because at the end of the day, we're not just trading to luck up. We're really trading to be able to build something and, have money that can grow for us. That's the power of trading. So, some people may think you throw money in, withdraw it all, profit, withdraw it all. I mean, if you move like that, then certain platforms, it might be okay. But for me personally, I store a lot of money in my trading account and I just leave it there to invest. I don't, go all in, make a bunch of profit, withdraw everything. No, I really compound and grow my accounts over time. And so I must use a platform that is trustworthy in terms of me being able to get my money. And I really like using a platform that is fast. I don't want to have to wait forever for me to deposit, for my deposit to go through. I don't want to have to wait forever for my withdrawal to go through. And I also want something that's evolving. And so right now in today's time, the trading space has become a lot more, advanced in terms of technology. I remember when I first got into trading, I was using MetaTrader 4, and all you could really do, on the broker that you would use is put money in, pull money out, and use MetaTrader 4 to take the trade. And so now platforms have advanced, and trading platforms and even brokers have advanced and started offering more value. And so I do believe, with my experience and looking at a lot of the platforms that a lot of people in the industry actually use right now, this is the top broker to be using right now, and that is Genesis FX, you guys. And so I've personally traded with about 3, maybe 4 different platforms up to this point, but for a long period of time I've only traded 2 major platforms. One of them was like one that I started using early into my trading journey, and it wasn't really that long before I started using my other platform. So the other platform I was using, I was trading with that platform for like 2, maybe 3 years, and then this platform it's about to in a few months it'll be pretty much a full year. And so without further ado, I'm gonna actually show you guys this platform in my computer. So I'm gonna switch the camera from this, and then we're gonna screen share on the computer so that you guys can actually see the platform for yourself. So let's go ahead and dive into it. As you guys can see, here is the home page for Genesis FX, and the top label that you guys can see right here is New Gen Trading, right? And so when I partner with Genesis, the reason why I actually chose to trust this platform with my capital is because I did have the opportunity to meet some of the people who are connected to those who actually run this broker. And one thing that they mentioned is that they want to really create a new wave and a new experience for traders, and I love being a part and doing things that are evolving, that will continue to grow in value and become better. So when it comes down to it, you guys, as you guys can see, New Gen for trading. So you have the opportunity to open up a regular account, also even try out and open up a demo account. What I love best about this broker is the interface, right? The platform itself has just a very nice, appealing look to it, where from your dashboard you can see your total balances, you can see your total P&L across all of your accounts, you can see all of the trades that you've actually taken, and you can start to dive a little bit deeper into each individual account as well. And so as we scroll down, the numbers speak for themselves, you guys. This platform has a lot of traders on it. And so all of this data has been updated since the new year. And then as we continue to scroll through, you guys, there's over 450 different instruments that you could actually trade. You could leverage up to 1 to 500, you guys. And then also the average withdrawal time is about 2.5 hours. And so they're constantly updating. And I'm hearing that they're even looking to create new things to increase the faster pace withdrawals and and to be able to help everybody, just be able to have access to capital even more. And so this platform is partnered with Trade Locker in terms of the platform that you will actually be physically trading on. They have something called 10X accounts that I'll be telling you guys about, copy trading, and they also offer some basic education as well. And so right here, you guys will be able to look at all of the different assets. So, you're going to be able to see the spreads, right? They have very, very great spreads for trading gold and even trading crypto. These are the things that typically have very large spreads on most platforms. And a lot of people never even really take the time out to look into these things. They just get on a platform that the influencer, or that the YouTuber, or the person on TikTok recommended to them. And when they're taking trades, they're automatically falling into large negative, and they don't understand why. Like, imagine you take a trade and you're just looking to make maybe $50, but from the moment that you enter the trade, you're already negative $10, $15, $20. And so that all has things to do with the spread and the fees that the broker actually, has set in place. And so this broker has very, very low spreads, you guys, where you could actually see them. And it's very, very transparent. There's a few different account types that you could actually create. And so as you guys can see, these are the different things. So the ECN has a minimum deposit of $2,500. The regular GenFX has a minimum deposit of $10. And as you guys can see, the more you deposit, the lower the spreads that you can actually earn or get. And then as you guys can see, this is pretty much, everything. It breaks it down. This is perfect for beginners. This is perfect for active traders. And then this pretty much gives direct market access because you have a very larger account. So you're actually trading within the market. And so with this 10X, you guys, what this does is it allows you to actually deposit smaller amounts of capital, but they 10X your deposit to where they give you more money to trade with. And so what you're able to do is leverage bigger. You're able to actually take larger trades because you have a bigger account. And when you profit, you get to keep 100% of the profit. So this is like a better alternative for a beginner than a prop firm. Because with prop firm, you have like a real challenge to where you have to make a certain amount of money without losing a certain amount of money to then be able to withdraw a certain amount of money. With this, you just deposit one of the different tier level options, 125, 250, 500, 1,000. It goes up to like 2,500, 5K, whatever the case may be, and they'll 10X it instantly. And anything you profit in that account, you'll be able to actually withdraw and keep 100% of the profits. The minimum deposit is 125, and again, you guys, the most that you could lose is 10%, which is your initial investment. So you're gonna have 1,250 to trade with. You typically will probably trade a little smaller to build that profit up, and then as that profit increases, you have all of your profit and your so you just can't lose 10% of your starting initial balance. And so scrolling down, you guys, setting up your account is very simple. You just simply click sign up, you verify all of your documents, you fund your account, and then you start to trade. And so in the description box below, I will have a link available for you guys to actually get your trading account started. But what I also want you guys to know is that within my community and within you guys actually possibly clicking the link below and registering with that link, I actually have an account manager that could bring additional support to you guys. So if there's ever anything, that you need help with or something isn't working properly, you have full opportunity and full access to just reach out to me directly and let me know. And then we could kind of get in contact with the account manager and they can make sure that everything is squared away and good for you. And so as you guys can see, it say welcome. Everything is right here: deposit, withdraw, transfer. This is actually just an account that I've created for this demonstration. But another cool thing about it, you guys, is they have it to where you could actually journal your trades. So you could you create the live account and you'll be able to journal everything. They also have something set up to where you guys could actually, let me see, where is it at? Let's go back to our dashboard. Actually, let me go ahead and show you guys the 10X really quickly as well. So right here with the 10X, you guys, it'll track how many challenges you've done. And then they also do prizes every single month. So if you rank in the first place, meaning you grew your account the larger percentage, then you'll be able to earn the top prize of $500. And then it goes to $250 for second place, $150 for third, $100 for 4 to 10, and then $50 from 11 to 25. And so this money will be sent directly into your account from Genesis. So that's very, very cool. Another thing is you also have the opportunity to stay up to date with market news, the economic calendar, so you know what's going on. You typically would probably use Forex Factory for something like this, but they actually give you everything right here within one platform. Trade sessions, so you'll also be able to know very clearly what market session is open right now at this moment. Right now it's the weekend, so all of these markets are actually closed. And then they also have something called podcasts, and so this is where you guys will be able to get, trade in value, trade in sauce, and then there's also some basic education as well back here for you guys. But if you are somebody who is really looking to take trading to the next level, if you don't know this already, I will let you know that I do have a community of individuals, you guys. And within this community, we actually trade together, we get money together, and you guys could actually be able to collaborate and connect with other traders. So if you are somebody who don't really want to get into trading by yourself, what I want to do is I want to show you guys our Pips and Profits chat. And so right here, you guys, this person actually profited $1,200 in this account. As you can see, a $100 win, $700 win, $500, took a $700 loss, $200 win, $150, $197, $15 loss. He's still in total profit. He's hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 targets and only hit 1 stop loss, you guys. That is great trading right there. And as we continue to scroll, you guys will be able to see that is more people in the community making money on a regular basis. That's an $11 profit, $28 profit, another 11, another 28. I believe that those might have been the same screenshots. But as we continue to scroll, 163. We also have tools. So we got a tool called Pip Juice, and this tool will literally tell you where to enter, where to exit the market. And so a lot of people have been making a lot of money with Pip Juice. It's been amazing, you guys. And so I just want to kind of show you guys some of the results that people within our community have actually been getting. This person said withdrawal Wednesday. He made $1,100 in this trade. He's up $15 in that trade. As we continue to scroll, this is actually Carnisha, one of my personal mentees. And right here, as you guys can see, $121 in this trade, $121 in that one. And as we continue to scroll, money and profits just going on all day, every day long within our community. And then we even have a platform that we partner with, you guys, that will actually give you guys the opportunity to actually get trade ideas and trade alerts sent directly to your phone. So if you also want to know more about this, I will also have a website linked below for an overview video that will show you guys a full in-depth breakdown of this platform to helping new traders start to get into trading. And then also you guys will be able to learn a little bit more about my community as well too. So all in all, you guys, this video was really just about Genesis and giving you guys a good broker to start trading with. So if you guys have any questions, drop those questions down in the comment section below. And then if you guys want any more videos, any more value, any more details about any of this, go ahead and check the description box below. All of my contact details will be there as well. Go ahead and get started, you guys. Start trading with Genesis. My personal recommendations if you're going to start trading, I would say start off with anything as low as $100. $100 to $500 is a good amount to start off in a regular live account. And then the benefits with the 10x account, you could start off with 125 and get that multiplied by 10, you guys. So again, drop those questions that you guys may have below. If you do decide to get started with Genesis, let me know in the comment section as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video, but we are out.